Many people in the Bay Area have wondered if the grass is truly greener on the other side. More specifically, on the side of Heavenly Green's artificial grass. The allure of a perpetually lush, low-maintenance yard is hard to resist. But, as many homeowners have discovered, a few key insights can make or break the experience. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of proper planning. Choosing the right type of synthetic turf is crucial, and it's not just about the color or the length. Different materials offer different textures, durability, and even aesthetic appeal. And the work doesn't stop at simply clearing the area and rolling out the turf. Ground preparation, addressing drainage, and tackling underlying issues like tree roots or sinking areas are all integral parts of the process. The installation process itself can be quite labor-intensive. Removing existing sod, adding base rock, and preparing the area can be a lot of work. Cutting and securing the grass requires precision and patience, especially around edges, obstacles, or trees. While most professional companies can complete the project in 2 or 3 days, it's important to remember that the time frame can vary depending on the scope of the project. And while artificial grass is indeed celebrated for its low maintenance, it's not entirely maintenance-free. The occasional weed removal, dealing with pet waste, and handling wear and tear in high-traffic areas are all part of the package. Let's not forget about the costs involved. The initial investment can be significant when you factor in with groundwork, base material, dumping, adding infill, and the final prep work required. However, when you compare these upfront costs with the long-term savings on water bills, lawn care, fertilizers, and maintenance, the financial benefits become clearer. In conclusion, the journey to installing artificial grass is one filled with important considerations. From selecting the right type of grass to understanding the intricacies of installation and maintenance, being well-informed can significantly enhance the satisfaction with the end result. Remember, the grass can indeed be greener, if you know what to expect.